Class 9, Unit 6, Reading 1 and 2. Vocabulary Building Quiz. So, first word is here, burial. The burial took place in a peaceful graveyard. So, similar meaning of burial is here, funeral, wedding, cremation, a celebration. So right answer is here cremation. So right answer is here cremation. Now another word farewell. So we said a tearful farewell to our teacher. The similar meaning of farewell is here greeting, arrival, reunion, goodbye. So here answer is here goodbye. Now next word is forbidden. The smoking is forbidden in this area. First option allowed, second welcomed, third prohibited, fourth legal. So answer is here prohibited. Now next word bluntly. He spoke bluntly about the company's problems. The similar meaning of bluntly is here kindly, directly, shortly, shyly. Now answer is here directly. So similar meaning of bluntly is directly. Now next word vulture. A vulture circled above the dead animal. Similar meaning of vulture is here dog, scavenger, crow, hunter. So right answer is here scavenger. Now next word is here isolated. The village was isolated by heavy snowfall. So similar meaning of isolated is here busy, crowded, central and remote. So answer is here remote. Now next word monastery. The monks live in a quiet monastery. So similar meaning of monastery is here palace, temple, abbey, mosque. So now right answer is here abbey. Now next word site. This is the site of the ancient city. The similar meaning of site is here object, building, mountain and location. So right answer is here location. So site means here location. Now next word ritual. The festival began with a traditional ritual. The similar meaning of ritual is here rule, habit, ceremony, dance. The right answer is here ceremony. The similar meaning of ritual is ceremony. Now next word stone slab. They carved names into the stone slab. The similar meaning of a stone slab is here. First option brick, second one is wall, third one is flat stone and fourth one is floor. So right word is here flat stone. Now next word stumble. He stumbled and fell on the rocky path. The similar meaning of stumble here: run, jump, walk, and trip. So word is here trip. Now next, translation app. She used a translation app to understand the sign. The similar meaning of translation app is here: camera, language tool, calculator, photo editor. So right answer is here language tool. Now next question, thrilled. She was thrilled to receive the award. The similar meaning of thrilled here: bored, worried, excited, calm. So right answer is here excited. So right word is here excited. Now profound. The book had a profound effect on him. The similar meaning of profound is here shallow, weak, deep, light. Now guess which one is right. Now right word is here deep. Now next word stormed. He stormed out of the room in anger. The similar meaning of stormed is here walked slowly, entered gently, rushed angrily, sat quietly. So right answer is here rushed angrily. Now next word hood. She pulled her hood of her head. The similar meaning of hood here cap, bag, helmet, head covering. So now right word is here, right synonym here, head covering. Now next word scarlet. She wore a bright scarlet dress. The similar meaning of scarlet: blue, green, black, red. The right answer is here red. Now next word carving. The carving on the wood was beautiful. The similar meaning of carving: drawing, painting, sculpture, writing. So right word is here sculpture. Now next word gruesome. The movie showed a gruesome accident. The similar meaning of gruesome: funny, gentle, lovely, horrible. So right answer is here horrible. Now next word stride. He strode confidently into the hall. The similar meaning of stride is here sit, run, walk proudly, and crawl. So here right answer walk proudly. Now next word swarmed. Bees swarmed around the hive. The similar meaning of swarmed is here slept, hid, fled, gathered in large numbers. So right word for swarmed here gathered in large numbers. Now next word frenzy. The crowd was in a frenzy of excitement. So similar meaning of frenzy here calmness, sadness, wild excitement, order. So right answer is here wild excitement. Now next word pulverize. He used a hammer to pulverize the rock. Similar meaning of pulverize here melt, burn, stretch, crush. So right word here pulverize means crush. Now next word mallet. He struck the chisel with a mallet. The similar meaning of mallet here: knife, stick, hammer, axe. So right word is here hammer. Now next word gesture. He made a friendly gesture to the stranger. The similar meaning of gesture: word, gift, letter, a sign. So now right word is here sign. Now next word omen. They believed the black cat was a bad omen. The similar meaning of omen is here: reward, festival, sign, a shadow. So right word is here sign. Now next word bits. He broke the glass into tiny bits. The similar meaning of bits here: drops, pieces, blocks, stripes. So right meaning is here pieces. Now next word reincarnation. The many people believe in reincarnation after death. The similar meaning of reincarnation: burial, death, prayer, rebirth. So right answer is here rebirth. Now next word mayor. The mere It was a mere coincidence that they met. The similar meaning of mere: strong, lucky, only, clear. So right answer is here only. Now next word calmness. She faced the situation with calmness. Similar meaning of calmness is here: fear, anger, noise, peace. So similar meaning of calmness is here peace. Now next word maturity. He showed great maturity for his age. The similar meaning of maturity is here: youth, fun, wisdom, laziness. So right answer is here wisdom. Now next word intelligence. Her intelligence impressed everyone. Similar meaning of intelligence here: beauty, power, cleverness, bravery. Here right answer is here cleverness. So that is for today.